How to operate the Truma Combi 6 warm water and heating functions in your camping vehicle. Be sure to switch on the electricity first and open the gas bottle. Then you have the following functions available to you. So the middle setting is the off setting. Above that 40 degrees hot water only. Top function is 60 degrees warm water only. And down below you have the heating functions as well. Either heating only for the flame and the heating and 60 degrees hot water. So in this case we will be selecting heating and 60 degrees hot water via the outer ring. You'll see the system engaging through the green light, which indicates that the system is on. And when you have selected a function with warm water, you will see the orange light switched on as well. This means that the 10-liter tank hasn't reached its selected temperature yet, which can take up to 15 to 20 minutes to reach the desired temperature. If you have selected this function with heating, you can adjust from 1 till 5 over the green light for the desired temperature inside. You can find the temperature sensor over here, so make sure do not cover this sensor. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the inside temperature of your vehicle to heat up, and then adjust lower or warmer. We always recommend, even during the winter time, to leave the system running, the heating system, at the lowest setting, setting number 1. This is to ensure that your water system won't have any damage due to frost issues. Now we see the orange light flashing. This means that there is an error in the system. You can look up in your manual what the error message means, but in 9 cases out of 10 you have forgotten to open your gas bottle, so make sure your gas bottle has been opened. Switch off the system for 5 to 10 minutes so the error message can be reset inside, which is done automatically. Open the gas bottle and try again. Safe travels and enjoy.